Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at a Power BI template that I've designed, where we're going to just look at accounts receivable, doing some analytics on the aging thereof. So this is the template that we're going to be looking at. So looking on our left here, we've got a composition of our AR, which is our total. So we've got all our customers down here, their total amount owing to the business, and then we've got the total there. The first chart here, we've got the days aging since date of invoice. It looks at the average days outstanding. So that's a nice view. You can see customer X is the highest, 112 days. Moving along, and then you've got the lowest customer here, 4 days. We can also show the top 10. So of our top 10 is currently sitting at $2.1 million out of 2.53 total debtors owing. And then we've got just the top 10 also here as a chart. You can see the higher customers, customer G that owes $353,000. Together that you can show some analytics, what's sitting in 60 days, 90 plus 120 days. Just look at the aging. It's a percentage of the total book value of the debtors. So this is a good example of a nice little snapshot you can take of your accounts receivable. Just to demonstrate actually what you can do with Power BI. Once this is set up, it runs on autopilot, and all you have to do is just refresh the data there. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Bye.